That's interesting. The Carpenter Foundation has to do with the children, the youth, and the women. Like I said, you asked a question about nation building, and it has been a very beautiful, interesting experience so far. So the concept behind it is to ensure that we educate, we train, and we empower these type of demography, and we help them because they are the owner of the world. The children, the future, they are the future, while the youth are the pillars, and while the women are the womb that bear the reality of resources and awesomeness of the nation. So you can't do away with these three categories of people. So our aim is to ensure that they are well managed. You can see social media is taking over our youth now all over the world. So it's not about Africa or Asia or America alone, all over the world. And when we are talking about social media, a lot of things are allowed and that's supposed not to be. We're supposed to think, even though we are not going backward, but we're supposed to think when we're having radiance, when we are representing the true nature, the true human being, the compartment of human being. But this time around, a lot of nonsense. I can say that, a lot of nonsense going on the world, and some people are accepting it, some people are indulging in it, some people are getting crazy. So the Carpenter Foundation is to build us towards purpose-driven life, is to build us towards something you can, at the end of the day, boast and beat yourself with your chest and say, okay, I have done something in life, so it is time for me to sleep. So that is the concept of the Carpenter Foundation, giving purpose to life.